Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another wig review. So this wig is from Samsbeauty and they sent me this wig to do a review for you guys. Okay, so this is the wig that we are going to be trying out today. So this is it here. Now I try out the Butter Unit 4 in my last video, and if you guys haven't seen that video, I will put it up here so you guys could take a look. So I wanted to try the Unit 5 because this one, it seems like a little longer. The other one I tried out was a little shorter. So of course I want to try out this one, and I want to try it out in another color. So the color that I picked up is T4 Copper. So this is a Sensational Butta lace wig, okay? And I actually love these wigs. They look really natural, very full, and so this is already pre-plucked and it blends with most skin tones, okay? All right, so this is what she looks like, okay? All right, so let's try this out. All right, so this is how she looks straight out from the box. This is like really new to me. I'm not sure for the color. I don't know if this looks good on me. Let me know what you guys think about this color. I wanted to try something else, like, you know, because I think I'm trying out too much like natural colors like 1B, and I want to get out from my comfort zone, and I want to see what other colors are out there that probably I would like and it would look good on me. I really like the curls. It's like really pretty, and this is what she looks like here. The parting space is like really good. I like it. So you really don't have to do anything to it. So we have some baby hair, and I'm gonna try to like bring it up a little bit so I won't have to cut it. I try not to cut the baby hair too much, but sometimes, you know, when you cut the lace, the baby hair goes with it because of how they, you know. So I'm gonna try to make this as natural as possible. It actually looks like my skin. The lace look like my skin, like really put together. So I really don't have to do too much to this wig, but I'm gonna cut the lace really quick, and then we're gonna come back and see exactly, you know, if I put my hand through it, make it a little bigger. This is the curls here. The curls are really soft. It looks a little drying. It needs some type of moisturizer or something. Like it's, you could tell like the curls is a little drying. Yeah, it's a little drying. This is how this wig looks like. I feel like it's a little too drying, like it's really drying. I think I like the Unit 4 a little bit much better because it's a little shorter and the curls on that unit is more tighter. This one is a little bit more loose. I don't know, I just think that maybe I should have just leave it the way it was, but I just wanted to like open it up and let you guys see exactly what it looks like. So when I open it up, it looks very frizzy. I think it looks a little too wiggy. That is just my personal opinion. I think this is like synthetic. This is not actual human hair, so it's synthetic. So the curls is very loose. When you open it up, it get really frizzy. So if you want to use this spray, you could use this. This is bed head. I think in my last video when I used it, I said big head. It's not big head. I don't know why I said big head, but it's bed head. I will put the link for this spray in the description box down below. Also, I used to carry it. For some reason, I don't see it on their website anymore, but you can find this on the Amazon website. So I'll put the link in the description box down below for you guys. So if you like this unit, you could just use this to keep the curls intact. This is really good, and this is the extra hole one. They have other version that you could use, but I just like the extra hole. I don't like it too much because I feel like it looks a little wiggy on me. The curls won't last at all, so that's why I recommend the spray. As you guys could see here is really thick, and that's what I said, like it looks a little wiggy. It's just not something that I would wear after this. And I think that if you're gonna wear this constantly, it's gonna tangle, and the curls is just the curls is not it for me. I don't like this one. I think I'm just gonna stick with the other one. So I just cut the lace off and I use some powder in the middle here, and that's about it. So I don't like this unit. This is the first one I don't like. I just don't like the way it look on me. But let me know what you guys think about the color. I do like the color. It looks really nice. If you guys want to see more wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Please subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more of your girl. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and share with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video.